All right, guys, we're getting into breakfast right now. You know, I'm always trying to find ways to make breakfast fun, but a little stronger. We're trying this recipe that we make the pancakes a little bit more powerful, I should say. We're adding a little protein to your pancakes. Does that sound good to you? Now, I'm going to teach you a base recipe using bananas and cottage cheese. And then you can build up from that. If you want to do it with blueberries, if you want to do it with strawberries, you can add chocolate chips. All right, guys, so we're going to be using today H-E-B organic oats, H-E-B organic maple syrup, H-E-B baking powder, and H-E-B Mootopia cottage cheese. All right, let's get going on this, okay? So I have eggs over here, cinnamon, we have the oats, almond milk, maple syrup, baking powder, and H-E-B Mootopia cottage cheese. I mean, it's just fun to say Mootopia. My Mac loves it. I'm not that big at it, but with this recipe, you don't really taste that strong flavor that cottage cheese has. We're gonna add a banana. Just break it up and throw it in there. It's all gonna blend it anyway. Let's blend this up. And what do? Every time we have the blender up on Women of Today, we gotta dance. We have to do a little dance. It's part of the deal. Yes. You gotta have a little fun in the kitchen, right? Okay. Quiet sometimes. It's just a nice thing to have, isn't it? Now, we're going to use the griddle here to make our pancakes. Every time I do the pancakes at home, I'm like, some of them look really good and brown and others just look kind of pale and sad. So I've learned that every time that you are doing a new batch, you have to oil your griddle again, or your pan, however you're cooking. That way it creates that uniform brown all around your pancakes. All right, so the tip for the perfect brown pancake, make sure all the bubbles all around, all the way to the center. And then you have to put oil again between every batch you make it. And you wanna have your griddle to a 350 temperature. It's kind of cook even. At this stage right here, that's when you can add your blueberries or your chocolate chips or whatever you fancy. Just have fun with it, right? Don't get hasty, Camila. Don't get hasty. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Waiting on those bubbles, waiting on those bubbles. Here we go. I'm getting a little impatient, but we're trying to get the perfect pancakes. Okay, I'm starting to get some bubbles right in the middle. That's pretty good, right? So do you see how you got the bubbles in the middle? That's what you want. You want the bubbles on the outside and bubbles in the middle. Yes, baby, yes. Woo-hoo! I just learned this tip too, guys, so I'm just as excited as you are. Yes. Ooh-wee. There we go, guys. Just top it up with some fun stuff here. Ooh-wee. Don't jump. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna go have some of those pancakes. They look so good. They smell good. And they add a little power onto them with that Mootopia H-E-B cottage cheese. Make sure to check out the ingredients at your local H-E-B, bay juice, and I'm gonna go enjoy the situation over here because I'm also proud of my perfectly cooked brown pancakes. That's it. Ciao.